we'll be showing you how to install your window visors for your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler. First, let's get them out the box to verify fitment. Since you verified fitment and have unwrapped them, let's get on to the installation process. To make sure that the window visors adhere to the car properly, we're simply just going to wipe it down with a washcloth. Once the window is clean, grab the correct window visor, and we're going to peel off the 3M tape. Now that that's all done, we're going to align it with the door and firmly press everywhere that the adhesive touches the door. And after the installation, we can remove the protective film. Now that the fronts are done, we can move on to the rear. And just like before, we're going to wipe it down with a towel. Remove the red backing. And once you get it all aligned, firmly press it in place.